up, y'all? So we're going to go to this place called Krispy Crunchy Chicken. It's supposed to be better than KFC and cheaper. I'll be the judge of that. Look, sun's shining. It's nice out this joint today. All the females coming out in their booty shorts, spandex, freaks. But anyways, yeah, let's go see what this chicken talking about. See that dude right? Go ahead.
Hey, what's up with you two?
Hey, that's my cousin, man. He's out here trying to get himself a drink, man. I'm about to go get him in this 6-pack real quick, so he can lay his pussy back and kick his big toe up in the air. You know what I'm saying? So check out this menu, y'all. For your chicken, you can slide over here and get you a motherfucking Heineken or a Modelo or something. Yeah, they got this junk in a beer store. I've seen other ones in Laurel that were like their own place. This junk shared with a beer store. And this right here, a little 6-pack. Get him out the way. What do you think? Get him this. A 6-pack Milwaukee's Best Ice. Look at him. Motherfucker, weird motherfucker. Here, Rodney, man, I gotta go, bro, cause I got something I gotta do. But
You got a cigar in there, no?
nah, I just told you no, motherfucker. Yeah, he's out there panhandling, trying to get a drink, man. So I figure I get him a cold beer. It's my cousin, my first cousin. But yeah, my good deed for the day, yo. So I got the 10 popcorn shrimp, hot honey, and a biscuit. Actually looks good. The shrimp are small as shit though, like baby shrimp. They're just going around killing a bunch of baby shrimp and shit. Like, what the fuck? And then I got me a 2-piece. Yeah. I mean, it looks like it's fried alright. Let's see. They gave me a blueberry muffin. That ain't too bad tasting. They use some alright batter. The batter that matters. I tell you what, it ain't like Mama made it. It's better. Damn, Mom, I'm disappointed in you, Mom. Why ain't you make fucking blueberry ragamuffins when we was little like that? Motherfuckers was dry and shit. But let's see. Got their crispy chicken original sauce. It looks like it's like a mayonnaise, ketchup with their little seasoned ingredients in it. Let's see. Damn. Actually pretty good. And it came up to like $19. I don't know if that's about the same as KFC, right? And the biscuit actually looks pretty good. Oh, blow KFC away. Damn, Mom, why ain't you make biscuits like this? Now I'm mad at my mom because she ain't make biscuits like this. Like, what the fuck? It's like, no, my mom could cook her ass off. Damn, this one ain't even got a tail. Like, it gave me, wasn't even a whole shrimp. But that shit look good. Tastes good. their chicken. I ain't too impressed with the chicken, but I mean, it tastes alright. Not bad. I get them like an 8 out of 10. Crispy Chicken did their thing with it. They did alright. Damn, KFC, look out. Crispy Chicken got their foot on your neck. Damn. So, I'll holler at y'all later. Peace. Till next time.